You're doing YouTube Shorts completely wrong and missing out on making thousands of dollars a month. My YouTube channels make hundreds of thousands of dollars, and YouTube Shorts is one fat chunk of that. When people come to me and ask what they can do to make more money from YouTube, I notice there's one common mistake that they all make and that you absolutely need to avoid doing. So, in this video, I'm going over the right way to make YouTube Shorts without showing your face or recording anything with a camera. And to help you out, I've linked one of my favorite tools in the description that helps me find my video ideas, titles, and thumbnails for my YouTube videos. It tracks millions of high-performing and viral videos, and the best part is that it helps me save hours of work while growing my channels. If you're struggling with growing your channel or want to reach the next level, you definitely need to check that out. Let's get back to this tutorial now. So I realized that a lot of people have this misconception that they can just re-upload YouTube Shorts and videos and make money. But that just doesn't really work, and you will make $0 if you do that. On the other hand, there are some clever people who found a way to make money from YouTube Shorts without just reposting them. They do this by adding their own comments and making changes to the videos. They choose videos that are already popular on TikTok and other platforms like Instagram. Some accounts have gotten millions of views by reposting videos, but they earned money because they added something new. So what these people do is they find a popular TikTok video, then make some changes like adding captions and their own voiceover to make it more interesting. They also make sure to credit the original creator of the video to avoid any issues. As you can see, most of these have tags and usernames of these TikTokers. But first things first, in order to actually make money from any type of YouTube video that you publish, whether it's a YouTube short or a long-form YouTube video, whether it's faceless or you're on camera, your channel needs to be accepted into the partner program. So what do you need to do to get accepted? You need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in the last 12 months. This can take anywhere from 12 weeks to 12 months to do, and I want you to be aware of that because sometimes people aren't aware of this, and then when things get tough, they give up. Which I definitely don't want you to do. There is a shortcut that I would recommend, which is just buying a monetized channel so that you can make money from the first video that you upload instead of waiting to get monetized. Just make sure you get it from a high-quality source. Personally, I always use DFY Dave. You can get an instantly monetized channel by heading over to dfydave.com monetization, or I'll link it in the description for you. Whether you get approved for monetization yourself or use DFY Dave, now you actually need to find viral TikToks and edit them in the right way to be able to keep monetizing that type of content. So here I've opened up one of these channels in one of their most popular videos, which has millions of views, and I can see that they tagged the original video creator here, so I looked them up on TikTok, and look, this is the original video that the channel owner found. And basically, they just downloaded this video and added some commentary and basic video editing so that it's not a complete copy and is unique, which again is what you need to do to actually make money from this type of videos. So let's talk about the process behind this a little more. What you can do is just research different keywords on TikTok and find viral videos from smaller accounts. You want to find a creator who is regularly posting videos, and then you might be able to find something interesting that would have a potential to get a decent amount of views. What's great as well is that even if something didn't go crazy viral on TikTok, it could go super viral on YouTube, so keep an eye out for videos that you think would do well. Once you find a good clip that you want to use, you can basically just copy the link of that TikTok video, then go to Google and search for TikTok Downloader, or just use this free tool called SnapTik. Here, you can just paste your link and click download. This will let you download the TikTok video without any watermarks or anything that you get if you tried downloading from the TikTok app itself. And now you can add your own little spin to your downloaded TikTok video. I definitely recommend CapCut.com to edit your video. It's just really easy to use and perfect for beginners. Just make sure that you select the right aspect ratio, which is 9:16. Go to the project section, then upload the TikTok that you downloaded from SnapTik. I'm going to make this one a little bit shorter. I literally just need the first clip. Then you could also add your logo, so you can upload your logo if you have one. I'm going to use this logo as an example. To remove the background of this logo that you've uploaded, you just click on background and click on remove. You can learn how to generate voiceovers, then open this AI tool to generate voiceovers for your YouTube videos. It's called 11 Labs, and you can sign up to it for completely free. You can test it out for free. You can then select the voice here. You can pick from any of these that you like. I prefer a narrator type of voice, or just super excited voices, because that really works with these YouTube shorts. So I'm going to use this as an example. You can write a brief commentary for whatever happened in that video. So you basically just want to describe what's happening on the screen, and then you can generate this voiceover with one press of a button, and you can download it with one press of a button. After you've downloaded the voiceover, you want to go back to CapCut and upload the voiceover. We're almost done, but we need to do the most important thing now, which is to add the captions. To do this, you want to click on Captions here, click on Auto Caption, click Generate, and now these captions will show up on the screen and make the video a lot more engaging. Now, if you want to make your voices even more unique, you can also use the voice changer on the right-hand side, and then you can easily customize them. And if you want to animate the captions, just click on Animation here, and then you can select whatever you like. I prefer this bounce out animation because then it just shows words one by one, and then you can customize this text. So just click on text on the right side, click and make it bold. Maybe change the font if you don't like this one. You can also add some stroke, and you can make the text a little bit bigger. Here's what the video looks like right now.
This dog is phenomenal.
Now you can also add different effects from the left-hand side. You can add different animations and elements and just make the video fully unique. I definitely recommend playing around with this, especially for your first time. Once you've figured out what you like and you can see what's getting the most views, you can replicate the same thing for all your videos. So once you've finished editing your video, just click Export, and now you can export this either directly to YouTube on YouTube Shorts, or just download this and then upload this to your YouTube channel. Now, I really want to make sure you understand YouTube's reuse content policy. You can't just download and re-upload someone else's content. That's just stealing someone else's work, and YouTube will penalize you for this. But if you're adding some commentary and making it unique, then it's acceptable. Just make sure you read YouTube's policy and terms of service before you go into this so you're aware of everything. And even if you don't end up monetizing these YouTube Shorts with the partner program, you can at least use your channel to promote different products and services in the description or in your community tab, because if you grow a channel to millions of views and millions of subscribers, which is actually pretty easy with YouTube Shorts, then you can use that reach to charge people and brands to promote their products, companies, services, and businesses through your community tab. And it can easily pay you hundreds or even thousands of dollars for something like that. I hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, I'd appreciate if you like and subscribe for more content like this.